Hello friends, if you want to crack the CSEET November 2020 exam, and this is the perfect video for you. In this video, I will be giving you the guidelines for preparing your own study schedule. Even if you start your preparation from today, it is possible for you to crack the CSEET November 2020. Before preparing the study plan, you should be aware of these 5 questions. Why you are writing CSET, time available for exam and for you, portions to be completed, type of test and passing mark. The first question you should find the answer. Why you are writing CSET? Don't give the silly answer like in order to eligible for CS executive. The main question here is whether your aim is to become the company secretary or your parents or friends is forcing you to do this course. If your aim is to become the company secretary, then you will be fully dedicated and concentrated throughout this course. That dedication and concentration is required to clear the CSEET in just 2 months. And the remaining 4 questions I will be helping you. So the official notification is out and the November 2020 CSEET is scheduled on 21st November 2020 Saturday. So I am calculating the days from September 20th, 2020 to November 20th, 2020. We have 62 days in our hand. And the next question is the portions to be completed, type of test and passing mark. So the time available for exam as per our plan is 62 days as our study plan starts from September 20th. I am breaking this 62 days into 35 days, 10 days, 10 days and 7 days. So first 35 days, you should allocate 10 days for each paper. That is for paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. And for the paper 4, you should allocate only 5 days. So that is from September 20th to October 24th. Like from September 20th to 29th, you start allocate for paper 1 or paper 2. And if you are not able to complete the portion within the 10 days, then leave that and start the next paper in the 11th day. So the next 10 days, that is from October 25th to November 3rd. You have some portions incomplete right here. So you try to complete that incompleted portions in the next 10 days. That is from October 25th to November 3rd. It may be in any order. You can choose for paper 1 or paper 2, paper 3 or paper 4. In which paper you have some remaining portions, you try to complete that portion in this 10 days. Next 10 days is to practice MCQs in your own until November 13. And November 15th, we have the free mock test from the Skyle. There will be no fees and anyone can join. I will be sharing the details of this mock test in later. So this is the last week before your exam. So in the 16th, 17th and 18th of November, you analyze your performance in the mock test and try to improve that. And in the November 19th and 20th, you just again recall the concepts that you studied in the each paper. And November 21 will be your exam. So far we discussed the time available for exams and now it is the time available for you. My suggestion is to study minimum 5 to 6 hours a day for your CSET preparation. And you should increase this time during your exam. Allocate minimum 1 hour for current affairs from now and until your exams. Make a separate note for current affairs and note down the events in the chronological order so that it will be easier for you to remember and revise it before your exams. There are different sources available for you to know the current affairs Like you can read the newspaper, or you can watch the news in the television, or you can read some news article, or you can install the application from the Play Store like ET Now, or you can subscribe to the news channel in the YouTube so that you can get the regular updates of the news. And next is the portions to be completed. We know that this year's ET comprises of 4 papers: business communication, legal aptitude and logical reasoning, economic and business environment, current affairs, and Viva Voice. So you have to cover all these portions within 2 months. Next is the type of test. So all these 4 papers will be conducted as MCQ basis, and the Viva Voice is on using the artificial intelligence or through the recorded videos. And coming to the next, passing marks. So in order to crack CSEET, in the individual paper you have to score 40% of marks, and in aggregate you have to score 50% of marks. So 40% of marks means the 20 marks. So in each paper you should score at least 20. And in aggregate you have to score 100 marks to pass this exam. So my advice is to excel in any 2 subjects in which you are strong. So first study and then analyze which subject is your strong and which is your weak, and aim to score at least 35 marks in your strong subject. If you score 35 plus in any 2 subjects, then you got 70 marks, and in the remaining 2 paper you just got 25 marks, then the total comes to 50 in that 2 papers, and the overall total comes to 120 marks, and you will pass this exam. So my advice is to analyze which paper is your strong and then work accordingly. Here are some of the tips from my side. First one is be focused on your studies. Next is prepare your own study plan. That's why I skipped the September 18th and 19th from our study plan, because September 19th you should prepare your study plan and you should start your study plan by September 20th. You can either go for the study plan which I showed in this video, or you can prepare your own study plan. Next is the proper daily schedule. Study plan is different from the daily schedule. Daily schedule means from you will be breaking the 24 hours into different slots, and what you will be doing in this 24 hours will be in the daily schedule. Next is avoid laziness. This happens with many people, like they set an alarm at 5 a.m. and due to their laziness they just off the alarm and begin to sleep. Next is to avoid social media. For just 2 months, please avoid social medias, because once you go through the FB and you starting scrolling down, you don't even notice how much time you are spending there. Next is the family time. Don't forget to spend some time with your family, and don't disturb your food or sleep. Have a proper food and have minimum sleep for 6 to 8 hours a day. And enjoy your study and ready to face the challenges before you. Don't think study as your burden. Start enjoying your study, then you will be never be get bored while you're studying. And at last, friends, remember that the last date for registering November 2020 exam is the October 27th. So kindly make note of that and you ensure that you got registered before the date. So all the best for your exams, and I will be giving you the mock test and also study plan, all those things in our YouTube channel. So kindly stay connected with us. Kindly do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon in order to get the regular notification of my videos. See you all in the next video. Thank you.